Welcome to a quick guide on removing a group photo in Messenger with the latest steps updated for 2026. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that you're accessing the correct group chat. The visuals should help you follow along, but the steps are simple and straightforward. Next, tap the group name at the top of the chat screen or tap the info icon, depending on your device and the Messenger version you're using. This opens the group's settings and details where you manage members, permissions, and shared media. Now, locate the group photo area. Tap on the current group photo. This will bring up options related to the image, including the ability to manage or replace the photo. If you don't see the photo immediately, you might need to tap on the profile picture thumbnail in the header to access the edit options. From there, look for the remove option. Tap remove to delete the existing group photo. Messenger will confirm your choice to ensure you don't delete it by mistake. Confirm the action when prompted. After removing, you'll see that the group photo space is now blank or shows a default avatar. If you want, you can replace it with a new image by tapping the empty photo area and selecting a photo from your gallery or taking a new